The journey of premium plywood begins with the selection of ancient, massive timber in the heart of the managed forest.
Heavy-duty automation ensures that even the largest logs are stripped and prepared with surgical precision. Gigantic grapple loaders handle millions of tons, organizing the raw material for their final transformation. These massive log carriers are the only machines capable of transporting the sheer weight of the timber. Safety and stability are paramount when moving hundreds of tons through rugged forest terrain. With the power of 1,000 horses, the convoy begins its long haul to the processing facility. A continuous stream of raw material flows from the wilderness toward the industrial heartland.
Every ton is accounted for as the logs enter the high-tech world of automated manufacturing.
The scale of the yard reflects the massive demand of a global construction industry.
Pure cleanliness is the first step in ensuring the structural integrity of the final plywood sheet.
Cleaned and prepped, the massive timber logs move toward the heart of the industrial complex. Automated hydraulic systems sort the timber by size, ensuring maximum efficiency for the peeling process. Millions of tons of raw material are staged here, ready to be fed into the high-speed processing lines. Precision scanning technology protects the massive machinery from hidden defects or debris. To reach the core, the rough exterior must be stripped away by the sheer force of the debarking ring. In seconds, the ancient bark is removed, revealing the high-quality fiber required for premium plywood. Efficiency is key. Every scrap of wood is reclaimed to power the facility's massive energy needs. Perfect alignment is critical to ensure that every millimeter of the log is utilized during the peeling stage. The log is now ready for the most satisfying transformation in the world of industrial manufacturing. As the blade bites deep, the solid timber begins its journey into the form of ultra-strong veneer. Spanning hundreds of acres, this facility is a titan of modern wood processing. Entry into the core facility reveals a world of synchronized mechanical power. Thousands of square feet of veneer are generated every minute, flowing like a river through the plant. Precision clipping ensures only the highest quality wood sections move forward in the process. Automation at this scale allows for the handling of millions of tons of material with zero human contact. Real-time data analysis determines the exact drying time required for every individual sheet. Removing moisture is a critical, energy-intensive process that ensures the plywood's future stability. Human expertise and AI-driven monitoring work in harmony to maintain perfect production standards. Emerging from the heat, the timber has been transformed into a stable, industrial-grade material.
Rapid cooling prepares the veneer for the precision sorting and gluing stages ahead.
Speed and scale meet precision as the dried veneer is channeled into specialized sorting lanes. Every square inch of the million-ton harvest is digitally mapped to ensure structural perfection. Only the flawless heartwood survives the rigorous automated selection process. Advanced robotics repair natural imperfections, turning raw timber into consistent industrial material.
Keeping the facility clean is a monumental task, requiring a ventilation system of titanic proportions.
Square edges are essential for the tight tolerances required in the upcoming gluing phase.
Organization at this scale is what allows the factory to process millions of tons without delay.
Skill and technology combined move the timber through the next stage of its evolution. This buffer ensures the factory never stops, a constant heartbeat of industrial production. By alternating the grain, we turn natural wood into a structural powerhouse of engineering. Specialized resins are the DNA of the bond, turning separate veneers into a single, unbreakable unit. Cross-grain layering is the secret to plywood's immense strength, preventing warping and splitting under pressure. Before the heat is applied, cold pressure sets the foundation for a flawless internal bond.
Mass production requires massive synchronization, handling dozens of multi-ton boards in a single cycle.
Inside this chamber, extreme heat and pressure will trigger a permanent chemical transformation.
At 300 degrees Fahrenheit, the resin molecularly fuses with the wood cells.
2,000 tons of force ensure that there is not a single microscopic gap within the million-ton harvest.
The raw timber has officially been reborn as industrial-grade plywood.
Controlled cooling prevents the boards from warping after the intense heat of the press. With the core formed and the edges squared, the board is ready for its final, high-precision finish. To achieve industrial standards, the multi-layered boards must first be leveled to a uniform thickness. The first pass removes any surface irregularities and excess resin from the hot press. Cleanliness at this stage is vital. A single speck of dust can ruin the final surface quality.
Automation ensures that every one of the million-ton harvest boards is identical in dimension.
The final polish reveals the true beauty of the timber, prepared for high-end construction and furniture. Both sides must be treated with the same precision to prevent any future warping or moisture imbalance.
Edges are precisely squared to ensure seamless joints in large-scale architectural projects.
Every board is branded with its quality certification, a mark of its industrial pedigree. With the surface perfected, the plywood enters the world of precision robotics and advanced sorting. Human intervention fades as advanced robotics take command of the million-ton flow. Self-navigating shuttles create a seamless, invisible web of logistics across the facility. We see through the wood, ensuring that every internal bond is as strong as the surface suggests. Every single board is digitally serialized, providing 100% traceability from forest to final site. Precision at the millimeter scale is maintained even when handling loads weighing several tons. Reinforced steel binding secures the harvest for its journey across global oceans and continents. Even the smallest details are automated to preserve the integrity of the finished product. Protection is total. The wood is now shielded against the harshest shipping environments.
Behind the heavy machinery lies a digital titan, calculating every move with mathematical certainty.
Vertical integration allows for the storage of millions of square feet in a minimal industrial footprint. Specialized coatings transform standard plywood into high-performance material for the world's toughest construction sites. Ultraviolet technology cures the finish in seconds, locking in durability that lasts for decades. For bespoke architectural projects, robotic precision carves the million-ton harvest into ready-to-assemble components. Finished edges provide a seamless aesthetic, turning industrial sheets into fine furniture-grade panels.
A final polish ensures that the Titan brand is synonymous with aesthetic perfection.
Every sheet is chemically fortified, to withstand the harshest climates on Earth.
Scalability means meeting custom dimensions without slowing the million-ton momentum.
Technology and timber merge, creating a smart product for the modern digital supply chain.
Pure, pristine, and perfected, the board is now ready for the ultimate test of strength.
Even at the final stage, technology makes the impossible weight of the harvest manageable.
Behind the brute force of the factory lies the surgical precision of the quality control lab.
Every bond is tested to failure, ensuring the glue is stronger than the wood itself.
To survive the elements, our plywood must endure a lifetime of moisture in just 3 days.
Science confirms what the machines created: a molecularly perfect structural bond.
Industrial-grade plywood must withstand the impact of heavy machinery and falling debris.
Environmental safety is non-negotiable, ensuring our products are safe for indoor living spaces.
Structural integrity means the ability to support the weight of skyscrapers without failing. Fire-resistant technology provides a critical layer of safety for modern wooden architecture.
Only after passing every test does the million-ton harvest earn the right to carry our name. With the science complete, the final journey to the customer begins. The final layer of protection ensures the million-ton harvest arrives in showroom condition, regardless of the destination. Logistics at this scale require vertical thinking, managing millions of square feet with robotic efficiency.
Every second, a piece of the forest is dispatched to build the infrastructure of tomorrow.
Precision handling is the final human touch in this highly automated industrial symphony. Secured and sealed, the timber is ready to cross oceans to reach global construction hubs.
Millions of tons, perfectly processed. This is the gold standard of modern industrial wood manufacturing.
From the deep forest to this massive hub, the transformation of raw nature into industrial strength is complete.
The journey concludes as the product moves into the hands of those who will build the world.
And this is how modern factories produce premium plywood from start to finish.
The million-ton harvest, engineering the future, one layer at a time.